Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are ready to take your trading skills to the next level, then this video is exactly what you need. Alright, we are going to be talking about one of the most powerful combinations in Forex trading, and that is none other than the Bollinger Squeeze and the CCI indicator. It's a combination of the Bollinger Bands and CCI indicator, but we're going to be focusing on the squeeze, right? The Bollinger Squeeze itself. Okay, so by the end of this video, you're going to know how to use these indicators to identify breakout opportunities and confirm market momentum like a pro. Okay, so stay tuned as we dive right into it. So let us start with the basics. I'm just going to be adding the Bollinger Bands to the chart first of all, and this is how it looks like, right? So the Bollinger Squeeze is a setup that occurs when the Bollinger Bands contract, as we can see here, right? We can see how the Bollinger Bands contracted around this point, okay? So this indicates a period of low volatility in the market, all right? Think of it as the calm before the storm, right? When this squeeze happens, as we can see here, the market is gearing up for a breakout, either up or down. And we can see that eventually we had a downward breakout here. Okay, so one of the things to watch out for when you notice a Bollinger Squeeze is a breakout. All right, we can see another example here, right? We can see that we had a Bollinger Squeeze around here, and we had a downward breakout. Right, so right after a Bollinger Squeeze, you're likely gonna see a breakout. Okay, this is another example. We can see how the Bollinger Band is somewhat contracting around here, right? And then we had a downward breakout again. Okay, you can see this example here. We had a Bollinger Squeeze around here, and in this case we had an upward breakout. All right, so that is where the CCI, or the commodity channel index, comes into play. All right, I'm just going to be adding the CCI to the chart right away. Okay, so here we go, the CCI, the commodity channel index. This indicator helps to confirm the direction and the momentum of the breakout. Okay, so together these tools provide a clear roadmap for spotting high probability trading opportunities. So to set up the Bollinger Bands, of course you need to open your trading platform and select indicators. You go to insert, you go to indicators if you're using the MetaTrader terminal, because this is the MetaTrader terminal. And after going to indicators, of course you have to add on the Bollinger Bands and the commodity channel index to your chart. Okay, and typically we are going to be using the default settings, so you don't need to modify the settings. All right, you can just go ahead and use the default settings both for the Bollinger Bands and the commodity channel index. All right, now the upper and lower bands of the Bollinger Bands mark the extreme price levels, while the middle line, which is a moving average, shows the trend. Okay, so when these bands get closer to each other, that is your squeeze. All right, that's what we call the Bollinger Squeeze. All right, it's a phase where the market is consolidating and gearing up for a move. Right, that is the reason why right after the squeeze you always have a breakout. Okay, so now let us talk about the CCI. All right, you can see that the CCI oscillates between minus 100 to plus 100. It goes below minus 100 and climbs above plus 100. So when the CCI moves above plus 100, it signals a strong bullish momentum. When it goes below minus 100, it signals a strong bearish momentum. Quite simple, right? Now let us put this into practice. So using this as an example, you can see how the Bollinger Bands we are squeezing, right? So this is our first clue, a period of low volatility. But instead of jumping into a trade blindly, right, we look at the CCI for confirmation. In this case, the CCI breaks above plus 100. Shortly after the squeeze, can we see that the squeeze ended here? We can see that the CCI broke above plus 100 around here. It confirms that bullish momentum is building. All right, so that is our green light to enter a buy position. All right, and of course, no strategy is complete without proper risk management. All right, so when entering a trade, place your stop loss just below the recent low for buys, right, or above the recent highs for sell. In this sell example, we can see that right after the breakout happens, you can see that the CCI broke below the minus 100 level, showing that there was an increase in bearish momentum. Okay, let us look at the other example that we had here. Same thing, right after the breakout, we had the CCI drop below the minus 100, showing increasing bearish momentum. So if you enter a sell, set your stop loss right above the swing high, all right, and for your take profit, you can just target the next support zone, and that next support zone would have been around here, right? And same for previous examples. And for a buy, you target the nearest resistance zone, okay? Or just watch out for candlestick patterns, reversal candlestick patterns in the opposite direction. All right. Now, using stop losses are very important, all right, because they help protect you in cases of reversal when the breakout reverses, okay. And remember, never risk more than a small percentage of your account in a single trade. I'm going to recommend a maximum of 2% in one trade. All right. So let us quickly recap what we have covered. The first thing you should remember is the Bollinger Squeeze indicates periods of low volatility and potential breakouts. Okay. And then secondly, the CCI helps to confirm the direction of these breakouts by measuring market momentum. All right. And then thirdly, combining these tools can help you identify and execute higher probability trades. Mastering these two indicators can give you a serious edge in your trading journey. And then I need to emphasize the fact that making use of support and resistance zones are very important. All right, so you might want to plot your zones on your chart. You mark out the points of reversals on your chart. Look for zones where you had minimum of 2 reversals on your chart, 2 points of rejection. 1, 2, you mark out that zone. 1, 2, you mark out that zone. 1, 2, you mark out that zone, because those points are going to give you potential reversal points going forward. Remember that support and resistance zones, horizontal support and resistance zones, continue indefinitely. So going forward, as price action plays out, these points or these price levels can give you ahead of time possible reversal points. Okay, and you can use them for also your entry and exit confirmations. All right, and there you have it, traders. The Bollinger Squeeze and CCI indicator are a powerful combo that can transform your analysis. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps support the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest trading tips and strategies. Have you used the Bollinger Squeeze or CCI indicator before? Share your experience in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts, right? And I would love to hear how you are using them in your trading. Thank you for watching. Happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.